Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to replace wheel studs and show you what they look like when they're pretty much done. So this is what happens whenever you put a wheel on wrong and you cross thread your studs. It stretches out all the threads and eats it away. So we're going to be pressing those out and getting some new ones in. So if you're using spacers, we're going to go ahead and take this spacer off. So if you're using a spacer, it's going to be a lot easier to take out the studs compared to the hub. As you can see, we have a lot more room to work with on the back side to press them out. So after you get all your studs pressed in, you're ready to put it back on the hub. You want to make sure that all these are flat and even in here before you do anything else. So when you put the spacer on the hub, you're going to have these nuts provided to you. So make sure that it is flat against there. Make sure you thread it all the way down by hand. That way you don't run the risk of cross threading. And then just feed all your other ones in, and then you're ready to tighten them down and torque them. So after you've tightened them all the way down, you run them down with your impact, you want to go ahead and get your torque wrench and then torque them out to spec. Once you have them all torqued down, you're good to go ahead and throw the wheel on.
All right.
Let's get the wheel on. Just go ahead and finish it up with your torque wrench and then you're good to go.
All right.
The important thing to consider if you're going to use a spare tire such as this, make sure you're using the perfect PSI that's labeled on the side of the tire. Like this one equates to 60 PSI because it's also a smaller diameter, smaller tire. You may need to put more air in it.
All right.
So if you're going to use the spare longer than the initial day, it's recommended that you go ahead and re-torque the wheel just in case, so that the lug nuts are going to get seated over time and they're going to expand their threads internally. So that's why it's important to torque them again. Also be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram under Roo Racing as well. Thank you.